What's going on YouTube? Here PJ Sports Cars, bring you to a box of Topps Tribute. Pretty good product just came out here in PJ Sports Cars in Chula Vista, also known as Harry's. Place you want to come for all your hobby needs. Harry will take care of you. I'll take these three. There you go. Been pretty nice product so far. Oh, I got a Ken Griffey, number to 50. Bob Gibson, Duke Snyder, Matt Laporta, Griffey to 50. That's pretty nice. The hit is Gary Carter, 12 of 75. So,
Hall of Fame.
Yep. Walter Johnson, Dwight Gooden, Jimmy Fox, Babe Ruth, and the hit is, says New York Yankees. Let's see. Thurman Munson, still he's pretty good.
Yeah.
$45.99. I was like, oh man, I might have got the
Yankee captain.
factory.
Maybe this is all New York box, huh?
Yep. Alex Rodriguez, apparently it is. Aramis, Greg, Chipper Jones to 219. Dustin Pedroia, Bat Auto to 99. Alright, now to the rest of the packs.
I don't get one card in here.
Yeah.
Get a booklet.
Nice, huh?
Beautiful.
Robin Roberts. Robin Roberts.
That's a good sign.
Yeah,
It's
Roberts.
my Rob Robert jersey.
Dennis Eckersley. Wow. Look at that old school one.
Yep. Your speaker. Oh.
Mickey Mantle.
Shut up.
Look at that one. There you go.
There's a box right there.
Sauce.
Good thing. Yeah. Numbered 20, 26 to 50. Oh, that's a good one.
New York box.
Yeah. Mickey Mantle says fucking obviously. Mickey Mantle. It is a New York box. I mean, like, all we need now is a cut.
Why not get a cut, huh?
Yep.
Well, you had to cut the pack.
One.
Mario Chow.
Show. Wow, look at the sideburns on that one.
Damn.
That's when he played with Boston. That was really at the end of his career.
Evan Longoria. Lance Berkman.
David Wright.
David Wright. Number 2. 42 of 50.
Nice. Put that there. Come on, booklet.
Now, this is an auto war booklet, right?
No, this isn't the memorabilia. But it could be a patch, though.
Oh, that's right. There's 3.
Oh, look, another one.
I think it could be, at least.
Johnny Miz. Carlos Beltran.
Alex Rodriguez.
Alex Rodriguez, number to 219. What number is A-Rod?
13.
He wears number 13? And it's number 13 of 219?
Well,
Nice.
Real nice number to his jersey.
Oh, Cal Ripken.
Jr.
Wow.
Sweet.
Old jersey.
Is
Nice.
that number 2?
Number to 75, 9 of 75.
Okay, got 2 more packs coming. Right here. Loose packs, so far, pretty nice. Yummy. Okay, Melot, Ryan Braun, Albert Pujols, Ryan Sandberg, David Wright.
This is like our 4th David Wright we've got.
79.99. The Ryan Sandberg, by the way, is to 50. That's pretty.
Could be a lot worse, though.
Oh no, that's good. I can't
Oh,
call
the
it.
Babe Ruth was number 999 also.
Yep. David Wright, hopefully. No, I'm checking now. Pee Wee Reese, Tom Seaver, Nolan Ryan, Hanley Ramirez, Mark Teixeira, 6 of 50.
Nice.
Nice. So here goes the hits real quick. If you're interested, hit this up. Got Mark Teixeira, David Wright squared, Thurman Munson, Mickey Mantle, really nice one, Pedroia, Gary Carter, and the Ripken. So here for PJ Sports Cars. If you're interested, hit us up. Thanks for watching.